strong.
And today I'm going to be opening up 4 Ignition Assault Special Editions. Now, I couldn't get the box. I was planning on buying the box, but all I could get, because the main set was out of stock, I decided to get 4 of the special editions. Well, so I've never opened up any Ignition Assault, but you see we got some new Gokis, which I'm surprised I've actually got some. They decided to print some more Gokis, so what I'm going to do is first we're just going to open up the one box to show you guys like the promos. So okay, so we got the Cyber Applicator, and for our second promo we have the Unchained Twins. So I'll put them down here. So yeah, there is like an archetype that I actually want from this set called Ancient Warriors, so I hope that I pull some of them today. Okay, yeah, we have the Ancient Warrior Saga, Sunlin Sun Loon. I'm sorry, I'm terrible with names. And for our Hollow, oh, straight off the back, a secret rare. Okay. Gizmekayu, the Supreme Shining Sky Stag. That's a name, but wow, this is different. The secret rares are different foiling. Huh. Didn't notice that, but okay. For our first one, we got a secret rare, so that's actually pretty cool. So then we got Time Thieves. Oh yeah, Time Thieves got some extra cards in this set, didn't they? Which random ritual. So yeah, with special editions, the ratios are completely different. Like I could get 2 or maybe 3 secrets, but what I'm really after is some of the Ancient Warrior cards. Oh, there's another Ancient Warrior. Nice, so I bought the right ones. And we have I'm not even going to try to pronounce that name. I might as well put the holes up there. Oh yeah, the Karakuri. Forgot Karakuri's got a new, like, more archetype support. That's a deck that my friend Big Deck Dave, he really likes machine decks, and Karakuri's is one of his time favorites, so he's happy that support. More another Ancient Warrior card. This one's the Trap. So I'm really wanting to get a full archetype of this and like play with it. I do plan to actually buy the entity code, and whenever that gets back in stock. So, and oh, we have the recent Time Thief XE monster, which is nice. The new Dragon Maid send off. So that's our first box. Let's open up the second one. So, and for our pros, we have the Goga Destroying Ogre. Goki Destroying Ogre, sorry. and we have the Goki Guts. So we have both of the promos. So, but I was guaranteed it's pretty much with 4 of the boxes, but yeah. Let's carry on with the opening. Oh yeah, I first saw this, I thought it was a Mech of Hambeast, that's the one. Cool. Okay, we have Arcjet Lightning, and we have the Ultra Rare Ancient Warriors. I'm terrible with names again. I really want to play this archetype, I really need to learn the names. Like in Entity Code, they have a new ritual, not ritual, sorry, a new link monster, a new, like, a boss guy, which, oh, Chronomaly, yeah, Chronomaly just look up, this, God, this set seems pretty lit. And we have another one of the ritual guys. Am I putting all of them in here? I feel like, yeah, I did miss it. I did put it in the wrong place. Okay, so. For rare, we have Fire Phoenix. Hollow, we have another one of the ritual. Okay, now for our third box. I'm kind of hoping for another, like, Ancient Warrior. So we've seen one, I don't have to open up the promos or video. So at the moment, all I can bring you is videos like this until we can get out of lockdown. So stay tuned for more, like, special editions openings. And maybe box openings too at some point. But I do have plans to upload more videos. Okay, we have the Karakuri Super Shogun, which is the new synchro for that archetype. Okay, so what can we? Another Fire Phoenix, and we have Jacko Bolan. Oh, the new Ghost Trick. You guys didn't know I used to play Ghost Trick back in the day because I actually really liked their artwork. So I'm actually really excited because Ghost Trick Fairy, I really like it. I think it's really good. Okay, and for our last special edition. So, can we get another secret? Because if we can, that'll be cool. Sorry, I would never place out this card. Okay, nope, another Ultra, but still. That's another one of that. Okay. Just place out the trap too. And we have Code, Talker. Ooh. Yeah, stop, like, jogging my camera. Okay. Last pack. what can we end on? And we ended on a super rare Ancient Warrior. I think I might have one of each of the lower levels. I'm pretty sure I'm still a level 8. I think that I'm missing, but I know one of the ghost tricks. So yeah, that's been... So we got one secret, which I'm actually happy that we pulled a secret. Pulled one secret, 2 ultras. Oh no, we pulled what, 3? Yeah, we pulled 3 ultras and 1 secret. So, you know what? I like those odds. I think that's pretty cool. So that has been my I'm losing the set. Ignition Assault, and I'll be trying to get other videos up and running and get a box opening of the latest set being Eternity Code. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.